Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Global Migration Explorer. We trust you're doing great. Today, although it may sound difficult, hundreds of Australian employers sponsor visas each year, making it undoubtedly achievable to get an employer-sponsored visa in Australia. In Australia, you must meet two requirements to be eligible for employer-sponsored visas. 1. Your job must be on the skilled occupation list. 2. You must have at least 2 years of recent relevant work experience. We'll walk you through the top 5 strategies for securing sponsored jobs in Australia in this video. Make sure you watch the entire video to receive all of the crucial tips. Consider temporary visas. Many people in Australia underestimate the importance of a temporary sponsored visa while trying to obtain employment with visa sponsorship. Since most Australian companies are reluctant to permanently sponsor a new employee who has no prior experience or track record with them, temporary visa sponsorship is typically seen as a safer option by businesses. You have up to 4 years on a temporary visa to prove to your company that you're worth a longer-term commitment. Many foreign nationals who have been in the country for just 2 years on a temporary work visa can later secure a permanent residency visa, since it's like a testing ground where you can show your worth. Find out if you qualify for Australian sponsorship. One of the most common mistakes individuals make is to begin looking for a job in Australia that supports a visa before they have a clear idea of whether they are eligible for one in the first place. It is a common mistake to delve deeply into the skilled occupations list, spend endless hours on the Australian immigration website, and frequently misjudge your own self-assessment. If you want to carry out your self-assessment, make sure it is thorough, and that you keep up to speed with Australia's ever-changing immigration laws. Consider getting a professional visa assessment. It may be a good idea to get in touch with an immigration agent who is registered with the Migration Agent Registration Authority, MARA, if you're thinking of doing a professional visa assessment for an Australian-sponsored job. These agents examine your credentials and skills set to determine whether you meet the requirements for sponsorship, acting as trusted consultants. Because of their extensive network, MARA certified migration brokers may even know businesses that would be prepared to sponsor. Consider international companies. A calculated approach to increase your chances of getting hired as a sponsored employee in Australia is to concentrate on international companies. These big companies frequently provide transfer programs that act as a channel for workers to go abroad. This path may need you to work for a considerable amount of time at the firm in your own country initially, which could seem like a long procedure. However, consider it an investment well worth making. Additionally, showcasing experience from a multinational company on your CV makes you stand out to potential employers. Build a strong network. To boost your chances when looking for a sponsored position in Australia, your network may be your most useful resource. Create a profile on LinkedIn that screams your goals and establish connections with Australian employers. Join Facebook groups for Australian expats. There are many individuals there who have similar experiences. Many members of these forums have been where you are, so they may be a genuine resource of knowledge. Increase your network, make new connections, engage with people, and communicate your goals to them, as the right person may be able to help you get sponsored. You may make a route that works for you and your situation by being aware of your possibilities and making sure your plans work with Australia's immigration laws. For those who are prepared to explore, Australia provides a wide range of options, whether it's for work, education, or family relations. If you are an unskilled worker wishing to relocate to Australia, obtaining a sponsor for a visa may seem like a difficult task. It's true that unskilled work usually doesn't offer sponsorship, but you may still travel to Australia, examine career options, and embrace Australia's culture and stunning scenery. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching, and good luck.